Hey, it's Betsy of EssentialOilsWithBetsy.com. I'm happy you're here watching today, and I'm going to show you two very simple, very easy DIY recipes with essential oils. I'm going to show you first how to make a simple spray with doTERRA On Guard Essential Oil Blend, and then I'm going to also show you how to make bath salts with lavender. Okay, so first we're going to make our little spray. Now I've already filled this with water. This is just a very small spray bottle, so this would be good for in your purse. How I use this is when I'm out shopping with the kids or something, like I don't want to touch the shopping cart, it's kind of nasty, so I just use this as a little spray, purify the surfaces. I can use it to spray my hands afterwards, spray on the kids' hands. It's great. If you're in a public restroom, you can spritz around in the air, make the air smell good. There's so many uses for this one little spray. So you have it filled with water already, and then you're just going to add about 10 drops of On Guard. Okay. It smells good. Actually, I'm going to add probably about 3 more drops. So I just want this one smelling a little stronger. You can, decrease the drops if you want it to smell not quite so strong, or you can increase if you want it to a stronger aroma. Okay, and then you just shake it, and then, that smells so good. Okay, so we're going to use this one for like a little powder room spray, but again, you can mist it on your hands if you're out shopping. So many uses. So that's our spray using the On Guard Essential Oil Blend. And that's really good for purifying and cleansing. And next, I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes. I use this all the time. It's a very simple bath salts. And what I have measured out here is one ingredient. It's Epsom salts. It's plain Epsom salts. And then I just add the essential oils. So we're going to do lavender. Lavender is great for at night. We can make a little bath with this for the kids if they're having trouble settling down at night, and give them a little bath soak, or for myself, it's because the Epsom salts is in there. It's great for muscle tension, that type of thing too. So this is 1 cup of Epsom salts, and then to 1 cup I add about 20 drops, okay? Love that lavender. You can smell it. And then you'll just make sure you're using a metal, a glass or metal container. Don't want to use plastic with essential oils. And then same with your stirring with a metal spoon. And you're just going to stir it around. It's super easy, okay? And now you can use this right away if you want to, or you can make it ahead. And I like to make these little containers. They're great for a gift, for a friend, teacher gifts. We love these. And you can use any of the oils. We're just using lavender today. So once that's mixed up nice, I should have had a funnel. I usually use a funnel. But you can just kind of put it on into the container. And sometimes, you can make these real cute with a ribbon and mason jar and that type of thing if you're doing it for a gift. And again, you want to make sure that you store your bath salts in a glass container. You can make these in larger batches if you want to. You're just going to do 20 drops of essential oil to 1 cup of Epsom salts. And then you can, just sprinkle some of this in your tub when you're ready to take a nice relaxing bath. And you can go by the size of your tub, how much you use. So that's